Hello and welcome back to a new ADV Freedom video. Today video I'm gonna try to show you how to install these tool tubes. So these are two tool tubes from AliExpress. I think I paid 26 Canadian dollars shipped. So from AliExpress I got two sizes. This is the bigger tube. It's 110 millimeters opening, like the diameter, and it has a 270 millimeters from like hole spacing, and in total I think it's 310, so 31 centimeters long. The other one, this is a 80 centimeter, 80 millimeter opening, same distance between the holes. So I can change the location, and I think this distance here it's exactly the same. So yeah, 31 centimeters, 310 millimeters. So the reason I got this, whatever is in these tubes right now, and I'm going to show you what is in the tubes. I was keeping in this tube, so this is like a kind of like a tool thing, but I couldn't fit everything, and this I was having this pouch where I could, like, I had like tire levers here, whatever, like I don't know what else, like saw, and so every time I was keeping this in this bag, and every time I take my drone out or like tripod or whatever, I had to put them back, or if I change the bags, I have to take this, put it in a different bag, try to fit everything back in, or when I go camping, I have to fit this in the camping bags, also taking up space, but trying to balance, and because I want to put like the weight on the lower side of the bike. So I decided that I need something to keep the tools on the bike all the time, and have a location that I don't have to worry. Let me show you first what I keep in this. So this is the smaller tube, 80 millimeters diameter. It has a cap. It should be waterproof, but it doesn't matter. So basically what I have, some electric tape here, some hex keys. What else do I keep here? Screwdriver. I have a wrench for my keys, and I put stuff in cloth so it doesn't rattle much. So basically in here I have all these keys from 17 down to 6, I think. So 17, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 8, and 6. So this is in this cloth here. Put this here, and also in this one I have the bead breakers, and same time tire levers, and let's see what else I have in here. Most of the time when I do this presentation, everything falls out of the bike. So all right, and what I have here, this is some old bottle that I keep some soap water in case of the tire, I need to change the tire or the tube. And this is a foldable saw for camping, or depends on if I have like some tree in the way or whatever. So this is in the smaller tube. Let me put all this back. Tire levers first. Soapy water. My keys. Wrench. Screwdriver. My hex keys. Of course, like now it's not gonna fit anymore, but anyway. So, and in the bigger tube there's I think there's a lot of space here. All right, so what do I have here? First, I have all the sockets. So these are sockets, extension, some hex keys. I have the valve pulling tool. So these are all the sockets from 8 up to 17. That fits the wrench that I have in the other one. This is the slime liquid, the 433 milliliter one. This takes a lot of space, so I'm gonna find a way to put it someplace else. What is like up here? So this is the extendable foot, what I made so I can use for lifting the wheels. So yeah, something like this, so it's extensible for the front or the back. All right, so that's that. And here I have another so this is my rear shock key. So anyway, I have the shock key and so this is the Motion Pro for the tire lever. So these are also in a cloth. And what else do I have here? Oh, so I also have a magnet extender for when I'm losing all my bolts in the bike. It happened before, so that's why I keep it. And this is some rope. So just in case I need to pull the bike up, or I need to strap, or I don't know, something breaks and stuff. I have some zip ties, but to be honest, I have stuff under the seat. It fits a lot of stuff. So under the seat I have tube here. I have tire inflator electric. I have battery starter. I have, what else do I have? I have some other stuff like tube, cement and patches, water filter. So let me put this all back in. See how it fits back. This fits pretty good. And I'll show you how I install this. This fits pretty good. Put this back up. It's a little bit harder to put the lid back on. I need to fill this there you go. Okay, so that's back on. All right, so now let's talk how I decided to mount this. I looked at some videos how people are mounting all this. People are mounting somewhere on the bike behind the people who have panniers. They're mounting it behind the panniers. So I guess you can build a bracket if you have panniers to go from one side to another and move it, put it on the back of the pannier. I have this support, which is a pannier support, but I use it just to put my Rhino Walk bags, which they have straps along the chair, but they just rest against this, so that's good. So what I did, so let me show you what I did. I took one of the tubes because they're the same, and I try to put it behind. So see, it comes behind, and I try to see where the holes are, and I drill the holes from the other side. So basically, I drilled holes from the back and the other side too. And let me show you how it fits. So basically I took this and I tried to figure it out how it fits here. There is a, if you take out the you see this mounting bracket is come out of the tube on the back, and on the front, if you take out to unscrew the cap, right, the lid, you have access to the holes. So measuring like this, it comes up like this. So there is a lot of space between the tire and the tool tube. There's no way the tire is gonna actually touch this. So let me mount this. I already drilled the holes and I'll show you the final result. All right, so let me show you the final result. So there's the tube. This is the big one attached in these holes that I drilled. So this is the big tube, and this is the smaller one. As you can see, you can't even tell. So probably I'm gonna replace the bigger one with the smaller one. I don't think the tire is touching the big one. It looks like there is space here. So if the shock compresses, might be tight, but probably I'm gonna replace the big one with the smaller one. If you can tell, the smaller one is really good. There is no way the tire will touch, and it fits a lot of stuff. And for the way it comes out, it's pretty easy. Just undo this, and I have access to everything here. Putting the cap back. Also this attached in the brackets to attach from the plastic tubes are the same, exactly the same distance, and the space also, the bigger one, it will be easy to replace. So as you can see, a big one, this is a little bit harder to, like, not to undo, but to put it back. So here you go. And this is the big one with all the stuff inside, and putting it back is a little bit more getting the right turn on the threads, but anyway, so yeah, this looks good. I released the top back, so it's not with the tools anymore. Every time I want to take something out, like my drone cap, whatever is in there, I don't have to mess with the tools. And every time I change for my camping gear or I change the bag, the tools are here no matter what. So that is the reason. So that's pretty good. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.